So here I am, back in the big city, and I don't have a vehicle. I don't have my truck with me. That truck is my only vehicle, my daily driver, however you want to say it, but that is the one and only vehicle that I own. And therefore, it's sitting in a shop, and I have no means of transportation at the moment. So, curious minds might wonder, how do I get places then? To say, oh, I don't know, the grocery store or places like that? Well, it's a fantastic question, and today I'm going to answer that for you. Behold, my friends. This here is a Onewheel. So this guy is a Onewheel Pint. He's the smaller size. The more nimble size for us smaller humans. It has a range of about 8 miles or so. So I can get pretty far around where I'm currently living. It's a good distance. And so just keep her charged and I'm able to go to the grocery store and back. So it's worked out so far. I can't go to, say, Costco. That's a bit far. And there's certainly places that I can't quite go. But it's definitely a humbling experience to not have a vehicle, that I can't just get in the car and go drive somewhere. This has been good in that aspect. That's kind of bringing me back to a humble state of appreciation that I have a vehicle and a good working vehicle. But also for this time in this season, I suppose, of the next 2.5 to 3 months, that, just humble. Back to just being, simple, I guess. And it's good. It's really good. It's good. I'm going to head to the store because I need a couple of groceries and thought I would take you guys along for the ride and kind of see what it's all about. It's a beautiful day out. Let's turn the Onewheel on and roll out of here. Holy crap, you guys, we made it! We made it to the store on a Onewheel. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so now it's time to grocery shop. And I have a rule of thumb anytime that I go to the grocery store. Now that rule, I have this collapsible bag, you see. And now the key is I'm not allowed to buy anything more than what will fit in this bag. I mean, you only have 2 hands and you're on a one wheel. You can't carry a lot. So that's good, because then I have to be responsible about what I buy. And, you know, if I want that box of donuts, chances are it's not going to fit in here, so I can't buy that box of donuts. I don't buy extra. So let's go get a couple of necessities and keep this shopping trip going.
Thank you. Receipt for you today?
Receipt for mine?
Excellent. There you go. Have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. Okay, it's time to roll home. All right, guys. Woo. That wraps that up. got me some groceries for the week, and mission accomplished. So I was able to one-wheel my way to the grocery store and back, and it works. So that is my mode of transportation for getting around. It works, and get to enjoy the beautiful scenery while I do it. So can't beat that, right? Yeah. Now that I got some groceries, I'm gonna go make some dinner because I am hungry. And I will catch you guys on the next video.